Hey guys, it's Rhonda. Welcome to all of our new subscribers and to our current subscribers. Shout out, how y'all doing? So today I thought in this episode I'll show you guys a little bit about what I had for the day. So you guys all know I love granola, or oats. So I started to make my own granola line, of which I'll tell you guys a little bit about. So for lunch, I made soup and naan bread. So I just bought an organic can of soup. And you guys know I always have to take it up a notch. I've got to add my island spices, just taking it over the top. You know me. And I add some rice in it just to give it that richness and just for it to taste creamy and, for it to be filling. So that's what I had for lunch. As a snack after lunch, I went ahead and I had some of my nutty coconut. So this is what part of the granola line that I started. So I'd love to share that with you guys a little bit more. So definitely, if you guys are interested in learning more about this product line that I'm in the process of launching. So I have nutty coconut mighty mango. We have a ton of granola for breakfast and snack. But anyways, let's get into dinner. So for dinner, in a skillet, you just want to put some sun-dried tomatoes, some garlic, ginger, onions. You want to go ahead and saute, and add your vegetables. Now, I love to go to Sam's Club because Sam's Club have an array of vegetables. So I love going there and grabbing my veggies. So I'm just adding some hemp seed. Guys, I was just introduced to hemp seed about a week or two ago, and I love it. It is so good. Lots of protein. Holy cow. I love it. I'm doing some rice and peas. If you guys want to know how to make Caribbean rice and peas where it's delicious and over the top, comment below. I'll upload a video with all the steps. Yeah. All right, so for the veggies, I'm just making it simple. It's quick, it's delicious, nothing crazy, but definitely pick your favorite types of veggies, add your favorite spices, and you're good to go. So this is the finished product. Listen, this rice was so good. I love my rice when it's like flaky and delicious and juicy and have a lot of taste to it. And then the vegetables with the ham seed, OMG. Lots of vegetables, and I'm getting my protein. I don't need any chicken. I don't need any kind of animal products. Like, this is filling and satisfying, and I am good and I'm loving it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. You guys know I do value you all and I appreciate you. If you don't want rice, you can just go ahead and just do all veggies, and I've done that several times. This is also the bomb. Like, that hemp seed also creates a lot of flavor and texture. You're gonna love it. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care.